Okay, welcome to today's video. This is not sponsored content, but I thought it was pretty cool, so I figured I'd cover it. So let's go ahead and open up this box here. And there you go. You can see what we have here. We have engineering samples from Venkel. Okay, so I got 3 of these here. It's just a little binder that contains all of these components in the particular sizes that I need. So we have all capacitor kits in this case here. So these, we have O2, O201s, O603s, and O402s. All right, so here's our business card if you want to contact them to get your own. But yeah, so what we have here are 3 capacitor kits. And so this is the O402, this is the O603, and this one has a combination of sizes and values in here. So as you can see here, we have around 7 pages of these, and each page has the capacitor, the value, voltage, tolerance, and part numbers, so that way you can order them, which is great because a lot of these kind of kits like this, they're not from a particular company, so you just get, you know, value and you don't actually get a part number. So it's nice, so that way you can order the exact thing that you used from them. You can actually order Venkel stuff from, I believe it was DigiKey carries it, but you do have to order it in quite large quantities. So just a little bit about the company. So they've been in business for over 35 years, and they are located in Houston, Texas. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I do like, though, that they are tariff exempt, so none of their products that they're selling have tariffs on them, so you know exactly what you're paying when you order it, versus sometimes when you order from other manufacturers, you then get stuck after the order with a tariff bill too. So yeah, pretty cool. These will definitely be heavily used because this is great for being able to design your own circuit boards and just have all the components you need already on hand for testing. And if, say, you design something like this and you're getting some weird issue with a driver, you can start trying out some different value capacitors on there, and oh look, you solved your problem. So something great to have on hand. It'll be super helpful for me. And you can get your own too. They give them out for free for circuit board design. They're trying to get, you know, their name out there a little bit more. So you can just check out their website. I'll have a link down in the description where you can apply to get them if you want them. And you just have to set up an account with them. So, okay, so as I mentioned, I will have the link in the description on where to go to order these. But this is what the page looks like for ordering them. You just have to set up your account, log in, and you can request your kits. They do kits for ceramic capacitors, ferrite beads, inductors, and resistors. And just to kind of put this in context, a kit similar to this is generally a couple $100 if you buy it from somebody. So it's really awesome that they put these out for free. You just go in, put in your information. There's a couple of check boxes of what you're interested in, and then just click submit, and that's how you order one. So that's really all there is to getting these kits. Even a no-name kit like this that's not even in a book, where it's just like a big unorganized mess, is $64. So, you know, you're getting a really cool thing for free here. You know, and that's just comparing it to no-name, you know, just random kits there. They can get quite expensive if you're ordering them from, like, say, Texas Instruments or whoever. So yeah, I just wanted to showcase this. They did not sponsor me to do a video on this. I ordered them from them. They sent them, and I thought it was a cool thing that they're doing. I forgot what they have listed for who, like, qualifies for them. But it's like engineers, students, business owners and stuff. I applied for it under the business owner, but I would have qualified under the student portion because I am a student at the moment. So yeah, I think this is really neat thing that they're doing since they give these out for free. And I just wanted to share it with you guys. So that way, if you qualify for one, you can get one from them because it will come in use. And it is also always fun to kind of raise awareness to companies that are supporting, you know, people trying to grow their business or grow what they're doing. So I know they are doing this to promote themselves, but at the same time, they're helping you grow your own business by, you know, sending this as something to have. Obviously, if you already have things like this, not quite as helpful, but you know, I don't have any of these kind of things. I know other companies too also give out engineering samples like Texas Instruments and stuff. You just have to justify it to them and they'll send it to you. I've never, you know, taken the time to fill it out. So special thanks goes out to Steven. He's one of the viewers of the channel. Steven Ryan, I believe that's how you pronounce his last name. He's the one that pointed this out. He ordered one, they sent it to him, and so he messaged me and was like, hey, you should get one of these. So yeah, definitely. I always appreciate any tips on anything like this out there. So if anyone else has any tips for free goodies, let me know. I'm all about some free stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys found something that you're gonna go sign up and get one of yourself. And I'll see you guys in the next one.